People with spiritual gifts do not experience life the same way others do. What feels neutral to most can feel overwhelming to them. What passes unnoticed by many leaves a deep mark on their inner world. This is not imagination, sensitivity, or weakness. It is perception. Spiritual gifts open channels of awareness that change how reality is processed. The first thing that affects spiritually gifted people is emotional environments. They don't just hear words and they feel atmospheres. Tension, dishonesty, and unresolved emotions in a room are absorbed almost instantly. This is why crowded or chaotic spaces can feel draining. Their nervous system is constantly translating invisible information. The second thing is overstimulation. Loud noises, artificial lights, excessive screens, and constant movement overwhelm the mind. Spiritually gifted people need periods of stillness to recalibrate. Without silence, clarity fades. This is why solitude is not avoidance. It is maintenance. The third thing is other people's pain. Those with spiritual gifts often carry empathy beyond normal limits. They sense suffering even when it is hidden behind smiles. This can create emotional fatigue if boundaries are not learned. Compassion without protection leads to burnout. The fourth thing is dishonesty. Even small lies create discomfort. Spiritually gifted people feel misalignment instantly. Their body reacts before their mind explains it. This is why they struggle in environments where truth is bent for convenience. Integrity is not a moral preference, it is a physiological need. The fifth thing is unfulfilled purpose. When spiritually gifted people ignore their calling, life feels heavy. Motivation drops, confusion rises. This happens because their energy was designed to flow toward meaning. When purpose is blocked, the system resists. The sixth thing is unresolved trauma. Spiritual gifts amplify unresolved pain. Suppressed emotions do not stay quiet. They surface through anxiety, exhaustion, or physical symptoms. Healing is not optional for the gifted, it is necessary for balance. The seventh thing is spiritual isolation. Many gifted people feel misunderstood, even when surrounded by others. Their thoughts go deeper, their questions reach further, and their inner world operates on another frequency. This isolation is not arrogance, it is difference. The eighth thing is intuition overload. Spiritually gifted people receive impressions constantly, gut feelings, inner warnings, sudden insights. Without discernment, this can become overwhelming. Learning when to listen and when to rest is essential. The ninth thing is resistance from others. Light disrupts comfort. Awareness exposes avoidance. Gifted individuals often trigger reactions they didn't intend. Some people feel drawn to them, others feel threatened. This is not personal. It is energetic contrast. The 10th thing is the pressure to suppress their gift. Many are told to calm down, stop overthinking, or be more normal. Over time, this creates internal conflict. But spiritual gifts do not disappear when ignored. They become distorted. Acceptance brings balance, suppression brings suffering. Spiritually gifted people must learn self-regulation, boundaries, and grounding. Their sensitivity is not meant to isolate them, but to guide them. When balanced, their gift becomes wisdom. When unbalanced, it becomes burden. If you recognize yourself in these experiences, understand this. You are not broken. You are not too much. You are not wrong for feeling deeply. You were designed to perceive more, and that responsibility requires awareness. Another thing that deeply affects spiritually gifted people is the lack of energetic boundaries. When they do not consciously protect their inner space, they absorb emotions, expectations, and projections that are not theirs. Over time, this creates confusion about what they truly feel versus what they have picked up from others. Learning to separate internal truth from external influence is essential for balance. Spiritually gifted individuals are also strongly affected by inconsistency. When words do not match actions, their inner system reacts immediately. This mismatch creates tension, unease, and distrust. Consistency feels calming to them, while contradiction feels destabilizing. This is why they often distance themselves from people who live in constant contradiction, even if they cannot fully explain why. Another challenge is the heightened sense of responsibility they feel toward others. Spiritually gifted people often believe it is their duty to help, guide, or heal. While this impulse comes from compassion, it can turn into self-neglect if not balanced. Carrying what is not yours to carry eventually drains even the strongest spirit. Spiritual gifts are not meant to be hidden. They are meant to be understood, disciplined, and integrated. Motivation. You need where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.